Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is August 14 and it's a Friday. It's already 8:18 in the morning. And yeah, the weather is really nice today. I already ate my breakfast. I woke up kind of early today. I woke up at 6 a.m. So yeah, okay, so today what we're gonna do is organize my desk, organize my study space. So basically, get ready for online classes. If you haven't watched the video where I prepare for a new SEM, you can go ahead and watch. You can just click the card right here or click the link down below for you to be redirected to that video. And today I'm gonna reorganize and decorate my study space for online classes. The things I need to do today are of course organize my desk, and then I need to print out pictures to put up on my wall and also some inspo. After printing it out, I need to of course decorate my wall. What I'll be organizing are everything that I'll be needing, the materials that I'll be needing. So my pens, my sticky notes, the drawers that I have, my papers. So basically everything that I'm gonna need for online classes. So I'm just gonna explain why it's important to have your own study space. Thankfully, I'm lucky enough to have my own room. But if you don't have your own room, you can just go find a place in your house where you can be productive, where you can do your work. So the first reason why it's important to have your own study space or to create your own study space is because you need to separate the place where you relax and do your work or study. There, so it's now empty. This is what I have so far. So I put the dong A set right here, and then here I have my mostly used pens on top, and then my pilot shoes, then my G-Tex and black pens. Then I have my mild liners, a lot of highlighters. So 2 floors are highlighters. Then my correction tape. Okay, so let's put things in this drawer. This is the only organizer that fits. So the next thing that I need to do is to print out some pictures and inspo to decorate my wall. But so far, I'm loving what I just created. And I'm gonna give you a tour after. Okay, so, and by the way, I have this heavy duty double-sided tape because I wanted to put my cork board in this wall. So let's just hope it will work because we don't have the hook. So anyway, I'm I'm rambling again. Let's just get to cutting. So I already put double-sided tape, and this is where I'm gonna put it. Here. Hopefully it will stick. Let's hope and pray. It changed a bit, so yeah. So right here I still have my extension cord. I'm planning to use another one so I can put it here, but I have another extension cord there, but yeah. And then of course I have my lampshade from Omni, my laptop, my iPad, and my phone. And then in this side of the table I have my planner, a notebook, my coaster. It's just orange and it has some flowers. And then I have my phone stand. Below it is just the camera thing. And then an SD card. Then here I have my organizer, pen organizer from Shopee. Then alcohol. At the topmost, I keep my Pilot Juice, one of my favorite pens. Then the Muji pens here. Then Zebra mild liners, 3 retractable highlighters, and then my black pens, which are mostly G-Tech. Then I have more highlighters, and then pencils, correction tape, sharpener, eraser. And then right over here in this tool I still have this small drawers which I keep. This is where I keep my washi tapes, office supplies. So I have rubber band, paper clip, and push pin. And then more washi tape. And then I have here my iPad pencil, and then on top of it I have my calendar. Then in this organizer I have my sticky notes, notepads, some magic tape, and more sticky notes. Then right here I have my Bluetooth speaker. In this I have my glue stick, stapler, scissors, and cutter. Then above those stack boxes I have my digital clock. Then here I have more colored pens and brush pens and also markers. And then beside it I have my file case. So I just have coloring materials, some pouches, then some modules. Then lastly, I have my printer beside everything. Here's my wall which I decorated and I really love it. Okay, so then of course I printed out my schedule for this semester. I put up a picture of Jungkooki, and then my goals, goals, and daily reminders. Just put it up there. And then here, I have some pictures. So let's take a closer look. So this is a picture of BTS. I really love this picture. Anyway, so here's another. It's a quote. It says, "Someday we will find what we are looking for, or maybe not. Maybe we'll find something much greater than that." So when I'm lost, I'm just gonna look at it and get back on track again. And then I have this illustration that I got from Pinterest. I'm gonna leave a link down below where I got it. Then here's a Polaroid picture of me and my friends. So there's AV, there's me, and then there's Lara, there's City, Sophia, and Nikki. Estella isn't here, so what I did was I got Joshua and I's picture from her photo booth during her 18th birthday. So the babes are still complete because she's here. And then Joshua's also here. So this is our pic. I decided to put this up because this is the latest picture that I have of us. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you what's inside this drawer. Okay, so for this drawer, I have my refills for the staple refills, and then more magic tape, more sticky note, my laptop mouse, the iPhone cases, my calculator, then cords for charging. Then I have my earphones and some SD cards. So yeah, let's close this up. Then right over here, of course, I have my binder. I have a yellow pad, some memo pad, and then I have my short bond paper and the long bond paper. And then beside all this, I have my Bluetooth mouse and keyboard right over here, so I can easily access it. So yeah, that's it. So I guess that's it, guys. And before I end this vlog, I'm gonna give you some tips on how you can create your own space and what do you need in order to create an efficient study space. So first is identify your purpose. What are you gonna do in that space? Are you gonna be creative, or are you gonna do your hobbies and things like that? So if that's the case, make sure that your materials are within arm's reach. So yeah. So first thing that you need for your study space is a good ambience. So it has to be quiet and free from distraction. And then the second one is good lighting, of course, because you need natural lighting in order to focus and Okay, so number 3 is that you need your space to be comfortable but not too comfortable, because you should remember that you're in your study space to work and to study and to be productive, not to relax or leisure, because that's what we're aiming for. We're aiming to separate the place in your house where you can relax and where you can study. And then my 4th tip, which is optional, especially if you don't have your own room, but I suggest you customize it to your liking. Add something that will help you go through difficult times. So yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. I'm gonna end today's vlog, and please let me know, tag me on Instagram if this video helped you to organize and create your own study space for the online classes. My classes will start on Monday, August 17, and it's already August 14. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you picked up a thing or two, and this video inspired you to organize your things and declutter before the school starts. So yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also press the tiny bell button right beside it so that you'll get notified every time I upload videos. And also, I have a back to school giveaway. You should go check it out. If you haven't watched it, you can join. It's open until September 1. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!